Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all had a great weekend. I am so happy to be back with you for our final week of kindergarten together. For Mrs. Miller, this is going to be a very hard and sad week because I am still very sad that our year is ending this way, but I am trying to look on the bright side and I'm trying to be happy that we have at least this week left together. So happy Monday. Today is Monday, June 1st. We are officially in the month of June. And this is a reminder about our Teams meeting today. Remember, we are having a Teams meeting every single day this week. So our meeting today is a first grade virtual field trip. So it's going to be our class and Mrs. Aspen Martin's class. Mrs. Aspen Martin and I are meeting at Buchanan to join the Teams meeting. We will all be together in the meeting, and we will be taking you on a virtual field trip of the first grade area at Buchanan. We're going to show you the classroom, where the classrooms are, the playground area, the cafeteria area, the area you're going to be eating at. So I hope that you're excited. This is normally something we would be doing on our ABC Countdown if we were at school. So we're excited that we'll get to bring it to you at least virtually. So if you're able to join us at 10 o'clock, I would love to see you there. So this is our distance learning calendar for this week. As you can tell, it does look different. If you want to print this out for reference, you are more than welcome to, or if you just want to use, save a digital copy to your phone, that's perfectly fine as well. This does not need to be returned to me, so you don't necessarily have to be crossing things off like you normally would. That's why I intentionally set it up different. So this is kind of your guide on different options that are available to you for this week. So of course, today is Monday. You do still have a normal morning warm-up. They are in the form of songs this week. So you will have some songs reviewing some skills that we have learned in kindergarten. You will have a read aloud story. So I have so many great summertime and end of the year stories to share with you. So I will be sharing a story with you each day this week. And then today is letter V day for virtual field trips, which we will be talking about. But you'll notice on the calendar, the only thing you have to do as far as your work today is your ABC Countdown journal page for letter V, which goes along with this activity for virtual field trips. And then you just have to watch your life cycle of a butterfly video. So this week's going to look very different. We don't have our normal essential questions, sight word songs, that's all over. We don't have a math page this week. So each day, parents, I will be explaining in detail what these activities are during our morning check-in. So if you want to make sure you're listening to those stories or videos with your child this week, I will be explaining the activities. So today, like I mentioned, is Virtual Field Trips Day. So if you would like to attend the Teams meeting with Mrs. Aspen Martin and I for the virtual field trip of first grade, you are welcome to do that. In addition to that, on Class Dojo, where I posted this picture, there is a big, huge, long list of different virtual field trips you can watch on the computer. So there's things from baseball stadiums to a pizza parlor to a post office to a fire station, a police station, an ice cream parlor, all different kinds of places that you can visit. Now, you don't have to do all of them. Technically, you only need to do one. But the reason why I didn't add any extra additional activities on today is because there's so many different options, and I want you to be able to watch however many you're interested in. So if you just want to do the Teams meeting of the virtual field trip of first grade today, that's perfectly fine. Or if you're interested in some of those topics, if your grown-up wants to read them to you and you say, oh, I really like baseball stadiums, so I want to watch this one. Or I really like fire stations, so I want to watch this one. Whatever you would like to do is perfectly okay with me. You're just required to do one in order to do your journal page. So I hope that you guys really enjoy learning about different places and taking those virtual field trips. So that brings me to today's question of the day, which is, do you like hamburgers or hot dogs? So I have a little picture over here of a little barbecue. So which do you prefer, hamburgers or hot dogs? Now, if you don't like either of them, make sure you tell me that. You don't just have to choose one just because it's the question. You could be like, I don't like hamburgers and I don't like hot dogs. So my answer to this question is I do like both, but if I had to pick one, I would pick hamburgers. And if I was being very specific, I would say I like turkey burgers. Turkey burgers are my favorite, so that is what I prefer. And that brings us to the end of today's presentation. So again, I just want to go over one day at a time with you on the calendar so I'm not overwhelming you with lots of different information. So today, your main focus is virtual field trips. You will have the morning warm-up, the read aloud, of course, question of the day, and then you'll get to do your virtual field trips and your journal entry, and you'll be all done for today. So tomorrow is going to be an exciting day about water safety. So again, I will be sharing those activities with you tomorrow when we get to that day. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day today. If you're able to join us for the Teams meeting, I cannot wait to see you, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have. Again, I do not need the calendar at the end of the week, but if you still want to send me the daily journal pages, that would be great so I can check those off. I think that's everything. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.